your takeoffs, pull back a little bit more on the, get that nose wheel up and just keep pulling back just slightly and hold that nose wheel up. And at about 60, we should be able to
traffic, station air 6233 Zulu, left
start flying.
29 Napa.
Nice and calm.
Yeah.
So far, anyway.
Yeah.
Caldwell traffic, 19 uniform exiting at Juliet, come on.
He was staying in there, there he is.
Napa traffic, station air 6233 Zulu, left base 29er Napa. We'll be planning a stop and go 29er.
Napa traffic, Cessna 64 Romeo on the downwind for 29 Napa.
So he said he's going to be doing a stop and go.
So should I go a little longer on my downwind?
We'll just see. Where is he? He said he was on base.
Yeah, I thought I lost him. Oh, there he is, coming down.
Okay.
Just turning in.
He'll probably just do it like a short field.
And 64 Romeo, I think it was on the downwind. 33 Zulu is going to land pretty short here and do a stop and go.
We got other traffic.
Expedite. We shouldn't be a long delay.
No problem, thanks.
Yeah, he should be. If it looks like that he's still delayed too much once we turn on final, then we can just do a go around, or maybe we'll go just a little bit long on the downwind.
Yeah, because he's moving pretty slow. I probably have time.
Yeah, I think so.
Napa traffic, station air 6233 Zulu, short final 29er Napa, full stop.
A bit high anyway. I went a bit long on the. Maybe turn to base now.
Yeah, you'd be fine now, I think.
A little bit of thermals here. Napa traffic, Cessna 64 Romeo on base for 29 Napa.
He's up and he's rolling again, so he'll be out of the way time we get there, I'm pretty sure.
Napa traffic, station air 6233 Zulu, rolling 29er Napa.
So I can go ahead and turn final here in a sec.
Yeah, as soon as you're, whenever you think you need to make the turn.
That's probably good.
Really good. Good. Let's add another, once we get here on final, another 10 degrees of flap.
Oh, yeah. Napa traffic, Cessna 64 Romeo on final for 29 Napa.
Go ahead and put in 10 more, so we'll have 30. Pretty calm out, so perfect.
Napa traffic 6233 Zulu, airborne off runway 29er Napa. Passing 3000, we'll be departing to the southwest, climbing 6500 Napa traffic.
Great pitch attitude, airspeed, perfect. Use your throttle to control your rate of descent. Bring it out just a tad. Need to move over to the right just a little bit. It's gradual. Good, 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 good. Leave the throttle, hit where it's at. Good, perfect. A little bit of right rudder. Oh, nice, sweet.
Thank you.
That's how it's done.